Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device so nothing blocks the setup. Make sure the tablet is charged and on Wi-Fi, then sign into the parent or admin account. This gives you control. Once done, open the Settings app and find Screen Time or Digital Wellbeing. On some tablets, it's under Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. This first step is essential because without admin access, you cannot set limits or PINs. Now tap into Screen Time to begin configuring rules for apps and device use. Now configure the core controls. Start with app limits, choose categories or specific apps and assign daily durations so usage stops automatically. Next, set downtime to block most apps during sleep or study hours. Make sure start and end times match your routine. Also enable content filters and restrictions if needed to control purchases and web access. Finally, create a screen time passcode or PIN so limits can't be changed by the child. These steps lock in behavior and reduce friction later. To finish, test the settings. Open an app that should be limited and confirm it's blocked or requires the PIN. Review weekly screen time reports to understand patterns and adjust limits accordingly. This feedback loop is why monitoring matters. If limits don't apply, reboot the tablet, verify you're signed into the correct admin account, and check for operating system updates because many control features rely on the latest software. If problems persist, remove and reapply limits or consult device support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.